Sanibonani, welcome back to a video. Welcome back to Nkosinaphilile Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa kuphela subscribe channel, like video, share video, as well as ama adverts. My qhamuka, please do not skip them. Consider letting them play, okay? So ngisakhuluma ke engothandwa nesithembu ulana emveni kokuthi ngibukeke. So ngifuna ukuthi ngireview nje kancane the part I have a very short time, but I'll make sure that I'm quick. Ngale nkathi bese dineni ikhona conversation ka number 5 eyibanjiwe laphana engibona ukuthi ngathi yazi angazi it is between actually uMusamseleko uMayeni noMacele, right? So uMayeni ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ke ungubani osisi ungowakwabani, bese uMusamseleko ngathi ufuna ngathi uthi no ufuna ukuqeda izindaba noMacele kuqala, onguye umuntu omvumela ukuthi hamba uyomthatha into kanjalo. Khona umbuzo nje lapha nothi usumlobolile yini, njengoba usithi sofuna ke number 5 abuye ekhaya umlobolile yini. You know what I mean? Abesethi uMusamseleko angeke nilethe umuntu engamlobolanga according to isivumelano sami nawe wathi wena wafunisa Ncinza talking to uMacele, right? So bayabuza ukuthi usumlobolile yini. Ubethe engakaphendula uMusamseleko kwangena uMayeni, makungena uMayeni uMacele nawe uyaphendula ngathi uMacele ufuna ukuthi lento ibe inkulumo ephakathi kwakhe noMusa lelo lokuthatha kuka number 5, bese uyangena uMayeni athi nami ngifuna ukwazi esayidini lami njengonkosikazi wakho, ngibuza ngoba ngifuna ukwazi usumlobolile yini lo number 5. Engathi uMacele naye uthi wena Mayeni ungafuna ukwazi, angithi into le siyayilungisa mina noMusamseleko. Bese uMayeni ethi into yakho noMusamseleko mina angingeni, ngibuza kwelami side njengonkosikazi nami kaMusamseleko nginguMayeni, ngithi ngibuze lokho engifuna ukwazi angiphendule. Engathi uMacele uthi why ufuna ukumbuzela la nizoyikhuluma senibabili. Uthi uMayeni ngiyabuza nje ngombuzo ongatheni, ngumbuzo ongatheni, bengifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi uselotsholiwe yini usisi njengoba sekuthiwa usezobuya nokuthi ngwakwabani. So for me bengayibona inkinga nje ukuthi Mayeni abuze lo mbuzo simple, but sengathi kuMusamseleko ukuthi zikhona izinto afuna ukuthi aziqede noma acele kuqala. Macele bese no uzombuza senithi uMayeni athi why wena leyo ngiyeni no2 ukuthi navumelana ukuthini, afuna shadi sancinza uzobuya ngiyeni nobabili nizodiscussa nani nobabili. Ngithi mina ngibuza le nginguMayeni ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi ngwakwabani. Uthi there was that conversation nje ekuyikuthi I'm like ngathi uMacele akafuna uMayeni abuze imibuzo njani, because naye she deserves to ask questions. I mean ukubuza nje ukuthi usisi ngwakwabani nokuthi uselotsholiwe, for me it wasn't such a big deal, but kule conversation sekungathi manje is a big deal. Sengathi ukuthi uMusamseleko kathi wena ufuna ukungiqhatha noMacele ngoba uMacele wayethi so lo angabuzi uMayeni, kulinde uMacele aqala aqede yonke into noMusamseleko, then uMayeni uzothi sebuze angabuzi lapha kwidina. Esethi uMayeni phela kusho ukuthi le dini bingeni no2 kumele nizodiscussa ke lo wife number 5, thina singaze sisakhuluma singabuza imibuzo esifuna ukuyibuza because wena lezi zinto ufuna ukuziqeda noMacele. It was just another conversation engathi nje hawu engathi ufuna ukubaqhatha. I'm like what is this thing between uMacele noMayeni manje? Like ngathi uMayeni uthi ngifuna ukwazi nami as your wife, uMusamseleko yena uthi hayi ngifuna kunezinto engifuna ukuziqeda nomamkhulu. Umamkhulu athi no uzombuza ke ngesinye isikhathi sakho noMusamseleko senithi hayi lesi. Manje uMayeni uthi why not less, because we are sitting here, I'm just asking relevant questions. Ungubani wakwabani, usumlobolile yini, phendula umbuzo. Like that conversation, and mangithi ngiyabuka umangwabe noMakhubalo on the side, they are even laughing at this conversation. But engathi bathi girl thina singeni yekela ishe thina singeni. I'm like, you know what is this thing manje ibikuphi inkinga nje uMayeni asking ukuthi wakwaba. For me nje I'm like why ngathi uMusamseleko noMacele bafuna ukuthi lento ka number 5 benga include amanye amakhosikazi, because it's just a question. Ungwakwabani, that's it. Okay, he mustn't reveal ukuthi uMakhwela ungwakwabani lapha etafuleni. Bengumndeni bewu5 kungikuyindoda namakhosikazi, waye sekumele manje ayokubuzela kaMayeni lokho angakubuzeli lapha edineni. So mhlambe that's why phela uMayeni ethi ayishuthi le dina phela ibemeli bengeni no2 thina ke singabe sisasho lutho. I mean, I'm just asking a question, then ukuthi hey, why ubuza le question izoyibuza seni2, why wena mayeni ngathi ufuna ukungiqhatha noma cele yini ezokwenza ukuthi ngiqhathe noma cele when I'm just asking a question. For me nje that particular conversation was like, hayibo, why are you making this such a big deal? And ngibona ukugela abayithu laba abancane, they are laughing. Bayahleka watekela ishe girl, asingayingeni thina asihleke nje bayasihleke. You know what I mean? And also the part where I'm actually loving Umayeni this season. I usually love uMakhubula isikhathi esiningi, but it's like this season ugele ngathi she's up to here, nje akafuna ukukhuluma kakhulu benginokuthi ngithanda uMakhubula, but I think this time I'm actually with Umayeni because she's such a vibe this time around. This season Umayeni akafuna ukudlala. Kune conversation anayo noMusa Mseleku about ubudoda bakhe. She's asking ukuthi njengoba sewuyothatha ku number 5 lengane encane le uzoyithatha phi energy, uzoba na yini energy yethu sonke so5. Uthi Mayeni mina ngifuni phela umuntu aze kimi nje ekhathazwe ingane encane nje, uzoba na yini energy phela kuzomela ujime udiet and all that. That conversation was actually funny for me. It was a very fun conversation. I mean unkosikazi ekhuluma nomyeni wakhe kwabona into ekanjalo. Uthi ngusamsele kumanje why question ubudoda bami, uthi hayi phela nanku ulanda ingane encane phela izofuna indoda ene-energy sasemncane phela umntwana kuzomela umsatisfy. And then muso umsatisfy leke usubuya kithi thina ngapho usukhathele uthi uzobukhona nje you know, leso sikhathi nami phela ngizobe ngikufuna. So uzoyithatha phi i-energy, uthi nami phela ngizokwazi ukuthi kubuye nje indoda ekhathele lapha kwami, ngizofuna nje umuntu oqinile, nami ngizofuna ukuthi ungisatisfy. Angithi uthe ufuna sibe u5. So mase siyi5 ushuthi uzoba namandla ethi sonke ke. Ungathi ngoba manje ubuya ke ku small house wakho so ubuya la endlini so ukhathele, uthi angizi kuyingena ke ngizokufuna unjalo uphelele the way ungakhona before. Ungathi manje usesilandela lengane encane ezothatha yonke energy manje uthi usuyabuya manje kimi ubuya ukhathele uthi angifuni nje, make sure ukuthi uyajima, make sure ukuthi uyadiet ngoba nje angizokudlala ke mina njengoba uthe wena ufuna sibe u5. So Musamsele ukuthi why you question udoda babi? Like I'm actually like loving the conversation. I mean this is a husband and wife having that particular conversation. It is fun. That's why I'm saying Umayeni uyangichaza this season because she's got a lot to say. She's got a lot to say, especially when it comes to this number 5 thing. Khumbula ngalesikhathi sasibuka ethi ke kule ngane why ungayikonta bakho nje. Ubhizi ngaleli khehla nje eligugile leli, why ungaziyeli kontanga bakho, you know. Manje she's actually concerned about uMusamsele coming to her ekhathele ngoba phela umncane umntana ufuna yonke energy, ufuna I mean uMusamsele ku married her because ufuna ingane. Ngithi kuzomela azozala ingane la ekhaya njengoba kuthathwa yena ke njengengane encane uzomela azale ingane zangamsele. So kuzazala ingane phela kuzomela ekamereni kusetshenzwe bafethu kuzokwazi ukutholakala lezi ngane kwathi kufuneka 20 or more. So kuzomela uMakhwela athola abantwana la, so kuzomela ukuthi uMusamsele kasebenzele kaMakhwela. So imagine sesiya kamanye amakhosikazi esekhathele. So Umayeni is actually looking out for herself. Uthi it's not gonna happen, I'm still your wife. Ukuthi wena uno number 5 ufuna sibe u5 bese u4 kade kungcono usuyangeza manje ulethe wes5 usuzobuya kimi ukhathele angizokuyingena ke bhuti, make sure ukuthi uyadiet. Ujime futhi uze kwami nje nale energy engiyaziyo, angifuni nje ubuye kimi so ukhathele nje uzokhona la kwami uzolala nje ngoba usubuya ka small house and finished all the energy. Siyazi guys, I mean ingane encane izofuna, imagine nje umuntu omdala engane encane. She's got points there. She's got like points bafethu. So angazi, I'm actually loving Umayeni looking after herself, looking after ke owakumuzi ukuthi you know what ukuthi uzobeka Makhwela kuzobe kwenzekala number 5 u10 angingeni ngizomfuna ke enjalo enguMusamsele ke ngimaziyo. So kungcono nje angene ku diet, angifuni nje into yokudlala. So the conversation was actually fun. But as for udaba lo kaMusamsele kunomacele wanting this number 5 thing ngithi ba yabo bobabili, like I don't understand it. What about the other wives? Why kumele bengabuzi relevant questions? I don't get that. Edineni ngoba idina ngithi sithe silana sizodibana singomndeni, and then ezumndeni ngiyacabanga ukuthi kulama dinner kuna lama meetings ila esidingida kakhulu indaba ezibalekile because they hardly met, right? I mean they hardly meet njengabo be u5 nje njengomuzo phelele ubaba namakhosikazi akhe 05 they hardly meet. That's why ezobe senza lama meeting, ezobe senza ke lama dinner la ukuthi bayohlala phansi baxoxe izindaba ezibalekile. So manje why when someone is asking a relevant question kuthiwe ke idingidwa namacele and then the other wives must just keep quiet and listen. That's why uMayeni ethi kushuthi le dinner bekumele ibe yena noyi2 ke. I did not see anything wrong with her asking there, so I do not know bafethu ngisazokwenza ke ezinye izinto engizofuna ukukhuluma ngazo, not on this particular video ngoba izobe seyinde kakhulu. Thank you so much. I wanted to talk about uMayeni ukuthi you know what, I think this season she's actually a vibe. She is a vibe and uze engathi mhle kakhulu this season. She's so beautiful, she's outspoken and she is asking those relevant questions. She's actually looking out for herself. Akadlala futhi akafuna ukuyazi ka number 5 ngoba even uMakhumalo uthi angifuna ukuyingena ka number 5 because ngumka Mthombeni loyo akeno wami, angifuna umuntu ozongibuza ukuthi ngiright noma angiright ngaye, akungifuni angihlangene yonke leyo nto nje bafethu. I think le ndaba ka number 5 iyashisa nje when it comes to this season. So sizoqhubeka guys namanye ama topics. Thank you so much ukuthi uyibukeke le video, like, usubscribe, share, ufake that notification bell on. Kubalekile bafethu ukuthi ungamisi any of our uploads. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, asihlangane kwenye landelayo. Bye.